guys, so today we have with us a very sweet guest, rather family member who's come back after a really long time. So I'm going to show you who this one is. Mishka! Mishu! Hi Mishu! Hi Mishka! Mishka? Mishku? Mishku! How are you, Mishka? And there is Mishka's mom, Ashita, who has brought Mishka here after I think I am personally meeting her close to 5-6 months हो गया है that I have seen Mishka, and I will tell you all the story of Mishka later. But I want to show you all the things that Ashita brought also. So let us start with the various things such as coriander and carrots. No points for guessing who these things are for. We shall show you the recipient very soon. And then there is this box full of treats which the kids are going to really enjoy. And then there's a ton of other stuff which is already in the kitchen which the staff is going to enjoy. Thank you, Ashita. Ashita is running away. So thank you so much. Unboxing the treats now. So we have, wow, so the kids are really going to enjoy because these are like high quality treats and they really love this brand also. So they are going to enjoy so much. Wow, this is going to be so much fun. Thank you, Ashita. The kids are going to be so happy. Wow, so much fun. They're going to enjoy this. And then along with this, there is a ton of biscuits. Wow, awesome. So they are gluten free as well. Wow, Ashita, thank you so much. And there are 4 of those. This is going to last us at least for 2 days. So that's great. Probably a little more if we are miserly with the treats. And along with that, she also got a lot of stuff for the humans. Let me show you what she got. This is like Santa Claus coming because she's brought like a box full of vada pav for everyone, for the staff, and so much cake for the staff. And she also personally made achar for everyone and got those. This is so loving. Thank you. Ashita has been fostering Mishka for since April because Mishka was almost had a heat stroke there and it was so hot and everything. And Ashita came in and took Mishka home. And since April, Ashita's been taking care of her. And today, she's come back to our new place. I mean, rather, she's never been here. So I think she went in March mid, not April mid. March mid, I think, not April mid. So she has been away for a good 4 months now. And so this is all new to her. The place is new. Let's see if her old friends, kind of actually remember her. So that's the thing now that we are really hoping for. Let's see how this whole thing goes on. As you can see, Mishka is used to a lot of pampering now. Contrary to here, what happens here. So we're going to see how this. So Ashita has to leave to go out of the country very soon. And because of that, we're trying to get Mishka accustomed to coming back here. So this is a day trip for Mishka and Ashita. So there, now she had her gastrointestinal food and she's sitting now. doesn't look like a shelter dog anymore. She looks like a home dog. So the transition back to a shelter dog is going to be a little hard on her. So let's hope for the best. Look who's here.
सीढ़ियाँ चढ़नी पड़ेगा नहीं ना
Malu.
बट्टे यार today no fighting ना मिश्का उधर गई
Cutie.
Can I touch you?
What you're doing? Yeah.
now I can touch your ear oh you're so smooth sexy Molly
उसको क्या है वो खून आया है क्या?
हाँ चोट लगी उसको
वही तो देखो
यहाँ पे
यो अभी वो कौन उठाएगा अभी कोई नहीं उठा सकता हाँ वो खुद खा रही है लेकिन वो देखो ऐसा भी करती है
that is you हाँ ऐसे करके रजनीकांत स्टाइल you're eating अरे
oh what is this
there is nothing
what has
on my
happened
hand
बोल गई क्या
अभी वो मौली को देख के डर रही है ये तो वही बड़ा वाला है जो मेरे पीछे बढ़ती थी
Molly what is this Malu So the first time that Mishka was abandoned, she was taken care of completely by Krishna. So she had a special bond with Krishna. Now we shall see if that bond comes back or if she remembers him actually. That is the whole thing. So Ashita is now sitting with Mishka in the kennel so that Mishka can get accustomed to all of these hooligans once again. Which I don't know if it's going to happen or not because they are all, not that friendly with Mishka at this time. Let's see. But Ashita's efforts have to be, spoken about in this matter. I've never had a foster do this, and this is the first time someone is taking so much effort for a dog whom they have fostered. So it's commendable. And so adjusting Mishka back to the environment. So Mishka has worn clothes thanks to Ashita.
It is not matching.
It's okay even if it's not matching. It's
It's
okay. No, it's okay. You can do what you want.
तो एक मिनट निकाल देना मैं बस वो गले का निकाल देती हूँ
कुछ नहीं है कोई कुछ नहीं बोलने वाला है Ashita is very particular about dressing up Mishka. Now she says that Mishka is ready for the camera.
Yes.
So Mishka is going back now after her day here and she has occupied the entire ambulance, I have heard. She has occupied the ambulance along with the rest of the staff. She's sitting on top, na?
हाँ, she's sitting on top.
Right. So
There's
she
a
is
full
sitting-
mattress नीचे, but she wants to sit on the seat.
Look, she is sitting in this manner. Oh, like a human being.
Same direction.
So thank you guys for coming.
You had a nice day.
Bye.
Thank you for having us.
Bye, Mishu Babu.
इसमें डीजल डालना है
It's okay. Of course. Yes, diesel petrol. Okay, and two of the male staff are going. due to various reasons. The female staff is going and then she will come back, tomorrow. Mishu niche gayi? She has something to sit on? हाँ, okay.
फुल गद्दा is there.
Yeah, okay, great.
ऐसे बैठी है.
Bye
ये
Mishka.
मुश्का ये लग
Bye
जाएगी.
बाबू.
या तो तुम ऊपर बैठो.
Bye Mishu.
नहीं ये शार्प कोना है, या तो तुम